Whitehat is a virtualization specialist at our core. We take care of customers on a project basis. We take care of customers from managed services and from a hosting perspective, where if they're done owning IT infrastructure, we can host that and provide that as a service for them. 50% of companies lose revenue because of poor performing applications. Poor application performance can impact company revenue by 9%. By us focusing specifically on the end user and making sure that end user experience is right, then what we are doing is making sure that not only is that employee as productive as possible, but when magnified across all of the employees of the corporation, we're driving real live numbers, real live ROI to that bottom line for the company. The end user for us is the ultimate metric. If we get it right at the end user, then everything else behind the end user really doesn't matter from an IT perspective. The end goal of that entire technology infrastructure is to make that company more productive. If we can make that employee more productive and prove it, we've done our job. For us, virtualization is the ideal way to maximize the value of an IT investment for a particular company. For us, that's primarily delivered with Citrix, VMware, and Microsoft products. And for us, by putting everything in a virtual environment for these organizations, we can optimize where they run, when they run, and how they run. And then more importantly, when we run into a failure situation, we can very quickly bring that environment back up for a company and get them back running. How we scale our business for the different types of customers that we get is really based on those individual needs. A small business, we provide that IT piece as a service, just like a light switch. It's there when you need it, it's not when you don't. When you get into medium and larger enterprises, we scale our services. If you need us more in some areas, we come and provide those services for you. Then as you grow, as you add that expertise, we back off and make ourselves available in other ways that fit. I take a ton of pride in being able to go in, identify these particular problems, and put these environments back the way they should be, performing for the customer, and then more importantly, putting tools behind them so they don't find themselves in that situation again, having to pay money all over again to get it put back together.